Welcome, my friends, to my cooking channel. This is Cuisinease with Chef Jacqueline. This is where you can learn to make dynamic meals using simplistic ingredients. I will introduce you to world fusion cuisines using a palette with foods from cultures such as Jamaican cuisine, English, Chinese, Italian, French, and so much more. I will guide you into creating your own personal cuisine or weight loss or just healthy eating, immune building lifestyle. You can even book one-on-one sessions with me. Visit cuisinease.co.uk. So let's get started. Something new, something different, something exciting is coming your way today. Enjoy. Well, welcome again, my friends. Today I'm doing something that is so easy. This is for my younger audience. It's quick and easy fried rice. And so I prepared the king prawn to go in the fried rice. I've marinated it in with some ginger, some garlic, some some ginger wine, and a little bit of salt. All right, sesame oil also. I'll put you the measurements: about 1 teaspoon sesame oil, about 2 teaspoons of ginger wine, and of course I'm using something this morning for my family. My little children love this, some spam, but you can use ham. You can use any kind of meats you have to stir fry, right? And then you flavor them. So I have spam here. That's about half cup of spam. This is about 1.5 cups of rice. This is cooked rice, and of course it has to be shelly rice. This is about 1 cup of chopped green onions, scallions, right? And I also have here a lot of veg, which is like cabbage, corn, and carrots. I like to actually use more meat and veg in my fried rice than I use the actual rice itself. If you wanted to make this healthy, then you could really, or keto, you could really opt to leave out the corn, because that's corn, carrots, and cabbage, and you could use instead some riced cauliflower, right? 1.5 cups of riced cauliflower instead of the cooked rice. All right, make sure that the rice is not clumping up, that it's shelly. And I have everything, as I said, ready here for my stir fry, my fried rice. And I also have here 3 scrambled eggs. All right, but unlike what most other people do, I like to treat my rice before it gets into the pot. All right, so I'm going to add here 2 tablespoons of dark mushroom soy sauce. And I'm going to introduce you to something unusual today, right? This is called Chinese 5-spice powder. It is very pungent, so you can't use a lot of it at all, or it will just overtake the dish. All right, so you just need about 1/8 teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice powder. And then you also need some sesame oil, right? That's about 1 teaspoon. And guess what? A touch of brown sugar. That's about ½ teaspoon of brown sugar. Of course, you can use coconut sugar if you want. And all you're going to do now is just keep stirring and coat the rice to be ready for stirring. Some Chinese chefs, because they're such pros, they usually add these ingredients while they're in the pot. Because I'm teaching you how to do this in a simple way, then we add the flavorings here, the soy sauce, the sesame oil, and otherwise. Okay, now it's not good to add too much soy sauce, right? You see, most people misunderstand. They think that you must make it very black and you add a lot of soy sauce. No. The minimum that you can use is the better. All right, soy sauce is just for tradition, to add a little color and a little bit of flavor. So there we go, we're ready for our fried rice. So the next thing I'm going to do is heat the pot, and we actually do our fried rice. Ready for the fried rice, and I'm using what you call a stir fry oil. We don't need much, so we're only going to add 1 teaspoon, right? And we have all our ingredients, and our wok is smoking, so we just want to sizzle it all around. Then we're going to add our king prawn, then our veg, our spam. And we're going to keep stirring. You notice the meat getting a bit brown, a fiery brown, because the wok, the heat from the wok actually adds what you call wok flavor. It gives it a kind of smoky Chinese flavor. So there goes our vegetables being stir fried. We had the king prawn in marinade before. There's our spam, our veg, coming along nicely. You want to have the veg with a little bite. But the king prawn is cooked. You know when they fold in like, they're almost done.